Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tara, and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be making cherry tomato pasta alla vodka. We're going to be showing you how to make it with vodka and without vodka.
This is a great fall recipe, so without further ado, let's get started.
So first we're going to make our sauce. In a large pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil along with 1 small diced onion. Let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, stir in 5 cloves of minced garlic, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, and 8 cups of halved cherry tomatoes. And stir it all together. Let that cook for 15 minutes over a medium heat, stirring occasionally until the tomatoes release their juices and it becomes saucy. While the tomato mixture is cooking, boil 1 pound of pasta in salted water according to package instructions until al dente. So, the type of pasta you want to use should be small and should be able to hold the sauce well, like shells, penne, or rotini, which we are using today. And once the tomato mixture is done cooking, remove from pan and transfer to a blender. Blend until smooth. It should take about 2 to 4 minutes, and once blended, it should be a dark orange color. Now pour the blended sauce back into the pan over low heat. Add in 1 cup of heavy cream and half a cup of water or vodka. Today we're using water, but of course if you want to use vodka, use that. Stir that until smooth and creamy. The sauce should be orangish in color and the texture should be smooth and creamy. Then add in 3/4 cups of grated parmesan cheese and your cooked pasta. Mix that until combined. We love this pasta because it's so simple and quick to make, but aside from that, it's really flavorful and is just so good. Serve, topping with more grated parmesan and basil.
This is so good.
It's creamy, it's slightly sweet from the tomatoes, and it's super simple. You guys are going to love it and you need to try it.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below,
and we will see you next week.
Bye!